Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will show you how to calculate division in fillable PDF form using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Let's get started. Open a PDF form, make this on fillable, tools menu, prepare from, draw the text field, copy the text field and rename the text field. And select the destination field, properties, calculate, and simply find field notation, edit, type the text field number, add the divided, and OK. Check the calculation. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.